Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I would first of all like to apologise for the lack of posts recently. I sadly had my GoPro stolen whilst I was on, I can't really say a holiday. I went for what could probably be described as the most expensive 40-hour holiday of my life. My GoPro was stolen, my credit card, oh it was a nightmare. So I've been without one for about 6 weeks now, and it arrived the other day, so I've set it up. I've had a little technical difficulties just now, so I'm currently having to charge it with my portable charger. However, it's all action stations go, and I'm currently in Seattle. My little sister was actually meant to be here with me. She's currently studying abroad in the US, and she was going to fly up to Seattle with me. Well, not with me, but to meet me. And sadly her flight got cancelled this morning due to adverse weather conditions in Houston, so I'm very upset. I really wanted her to be here, but I'm not going to let it get me down. I'm going to go out and explore, make the most. I think I'm just going to go by myself this afternoon, and then tomorrow we've got a full day planned with the crew. So I'm just going to grab my things now and I'll take you with me. I'm just in the queue for the original Starbucks, and it's all super long. Almost at the front of the queue. So I queued for maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes to get the exact same drink that I could get at any other Starbucks in the world. Probably in about 3 minutes, just to say it's from the original Starbucks. Bubblegum purchased. Time to go blow some bubbles. This entire street is covered in used bubblegum stuff on the wall. I'm really not too sure why, but it's like that's disgusting. I've just eaten my body weight in king crab legs. I honestly cannot eat anymore. I'm so out of breath walking up this hill. Seattle is one of the most undulating cities I think I've ever walked around. And I've spent all day walking downhill, so now I'm going to have to walk all the way up back to the hotel. And I'm so ready for bed. The time difference being 11 hours, it is now 6 in the morning in Dubai. So I got up 24 hours ago for work, and I only slept 3 hours in the CRC, which is like a rest. So I'm off to bed and ready for a fun day of exploring tomorrow. Morning, I was up super early this morning with jet lag, and I've just quickly been down for breakfast to have something to eat, even though I ate so much food last night. It'd been a long time since I'd eaten, and I wanted a good breakfast to give me some energy for the day. It's now just approaching 7:25 in the morning, and I'm meeting some of the crew downstairs. There is 7 of us going, and we have rented a car and we are driving over to Mount Rainier. I may potentially be the designated driver today. Bit nervous about that, but I'm sure all will be fine, and we're gonna have a fun day exploring, getting out in the nature and seeing the breathtaking scenery of Seattle, or should I say surrounding areas. we're going to go explore. Off we go.
With my friend, it was like too much.
Guys, there's a butterfly on me!
What? Oh.
This is so beautiful! I'm so tired. We still have, I think, 2 miles to go. We've done 3.5 so far, and I am so tired. Both of you. How do you feel that we finally made it?
Oh, finally. Feel very good. Damn awesome. We did it finally.
I had a fabulous day yesterday. The hike we did was 8 miles long. It was one of the hardest hikes I've ever done. It was really, really tough, but the views and the scenery was so worth it. We had the most perfect weather. The cloud was low enough so that we could see the top of the mountain, and by the time we'd finished and got all the way around, 3.5 hours later, the cloud was completely covering the mountain and you could not see anything. So we had a really, really good day for it actually, in comparison to my friend's mum and dad who were there a couple of days ago and said they could not see a thing. So it worked out really well in our favour. I did turn out to be the designated driver there and back, which was 6 hours of driving. I was given this ginormous GMC Yukon, which I'd never driven before. It was huge. It was the biggest 7-seater I have ever seen in my life, but it was so beautiful to drive. And the drive in up the mountain was, it was so breathtaking. I woke up this morning so tired, my legs were hurting so bad. I had plans to go to Pike Place Market and buy flowers to take back to Dubai with me. However, the weather, which you can see now, is just, it's horrible. So I stayed in bed, I've had some breakfast, and now I'm ready for the flight back to Dubai. 14 hours stands between Seattle and me getting home into my bed, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.